Hey friends, if you encounter this Roblox error code 268, kicked due to unexpected client behavior, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix this. So first is we need to search for Windows security in the Windows search bar, type Windows security. We are going to disable the real-time protection. Then here in the Windows security window, click on virus and threat protection in the left pane. Scroll down and click on this manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. Then here if the real-time protection is on, switch this off. And also click on this firewall and network protection. Click on this private network firewall. Then Microsoft Defender Firewall helps protect your device while on a private network. Switch this button off. Then get your job done. So once you get your job done, go back to the same Windows security window and then you need to switch this button on again. You just need to temporarily disable the real-time protection and the Microsoft Defender firewall because these are important security of your Windows. So once you get your job done, just go back to the same window and then switch these buttons on. And then also for the virus and threat protection, manage settings, switch this on. Once done, close this. And the next method is we need to open the browser. This is for both the Microsoft Edge and the Google Chrome browser. Then once you are on that browser, click on these three dots. You can find that in the top right corner, the same for Microsoft Edge. And then scroll down and click on settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. On the left pane, click on privacy and security. Then you have here under privacy and security, you have delete browsing data. Click on this. Then you have the basic and the advanced tab. I want you to switch to the advanced tab. Time range, change this to all time because if you are just going to choose the last hour, then what will be deleted will only be for the last hour, for the last 24 hours, for the last 7 days. So I'd prefer and I suggest you need to choose all time. Check all of these boxes except for passwords and other sign-in data and also the autofill form data. Once done, click on delete data. Then still on the left pane, click on reset settings. Restore settings to their original defaults. This action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Finally, click on reset settings. Once done, close this browser. And then press the Windows key and R button together. Here you need to type percentage local app data percentage. Click on OK. Then look for the Roblox folder. So if you can find the Roblox folder, if you find the Roblox folder right here, then what you'll have to do is you just need to make a right click on that. Let's say for example, this is the Roblox folder. Say for example, this is the Roblox folder. Just make a right click and then select delete. Once done, close this window. Then for the last method is we need to run some commands in order to fix the issue. Search for CMD in the Windows search bar. Do not open it right away or do not click it right away under the best match, but go on the right pane and then select run as administrator so that we will be given administrative privileges in running the command for the command also to work. Here you need to type ipconfig space /flush DNS. It's ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit on enter. Next command, netsh space winsock space reset. netsh space winsock space reset and hit on enter. Next command, ipconfig /release. It's ipconfig space /release and hit on enter. And the last command, ipconfig space /renew and hit on enter. Now once done, just type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. And once you have restarted your computer, then see if the problem has been fixed. For sure, some of the fixes or any of the fixes will be applicable and will help you fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.